got my area all set up, cleaned and tidy. My phone going off. So I needed to get rid of all the car parts. So they're all like over there and over there. So, and I needed a light. Plus I needed a spotlight for when I'm welding, because I cannot see even with my glasses on. It just is way too dark. And the lights in here, even though they're bright, well, not bright enough. So here we go. So like, it's a little bit chunky, but I'm getting used to the gas and everything, so it is easier to weld. I just got to adjust it a little bit differently. But I've done all this inside here, so it's looking a lot cleaner and tidier. I'm probably going to have to hit it with a 2-pack epoxy or pour 15, as I've said before. So it's come out pretty good. So now I need to do the bit that goes here, which is in here, tucked away in the darkness. So there we go. So I've got this bit here, which pretty sure goes that. So that needs sandblasting and some welding, or I've accidentally cut through it. But yeah, I'm liking the setup. It's really good. So hopefully the next bit will be, this will be all cleaned up, ready to go on. I still have to find some paint to put on that until the next one. Well, sun is shining and I got a day off, so I've been sorting out getting my compressor and the moisture problem sorted out. I've got a water catcher on that end. I've got another hose running into the blasting booth, and I have another one here which sounds like it's leaking. Ah, there we go. Still gag on the way. Alright, so hopefully that will eliminate some of the moisture that's coming from that compressor. So yeah, I don't know, see how we go. Anywho, I've got to sandblast this bit here, and then I've got to start getting ready, because that bit fits on that bit. Oh, yeah, better if I show you. Yeah, so it's kind of like after lunch now. I was going to have an early start, but then no, I went shopping, bought more canvases for paintings. Wow, I'm getting inspired, so yeah, why not? Alright, I better get into it. Yeah. side's been sandblasted. I'm going to have to hit this with the a little sander, get that all back to bare metal. Got to weld up this bit, and I found a little whoop whoop, bit of rust, but I reckon I've got that other panel over there has probably got a good one on it. So all I have to do now, this side, which is easy. I mean, there's just this patch of rust here and a bit in the corner. Oh, there's a little bit of whoop whoop down there as well. Okay. Yep. Easy fix. I think I'm getting the hang of this gas, mix shield gas. It's still a little bit chunky and stuff, but not as chunky as that piece down there. But yeah, look on this side. It actually looks really good. Got good penetration. Looks like I've missed a few spots, but I think I've got them on the top. Yeah, I think I've got them on the top. Just got to clean that up now. And this piece just need to do the ends. Alrighty, on a roll. Okay, boys and girls, looks like I've got it pretty much set up. A little bit of alignment to do, but yeah, just this end, a little bit of an issue, but I think it's worked out pretty good. I've just got to epitech the piece, and it should come up okay. I mean, it's not going to be too bad for a piece you are never going to see again. It's going to have, what is it going to have? I don't know where it is. It's up there with the spotlights. Okay, it's going to have something over the top of it, so you'll probably be able to see down into here. And that's where the heater goes, but you're not going to see it. So, yep, got that piece done. There's a bit of the table on it, and I've got that piece done. So, the only reason that's out of alignment there is this bit is off the other piece. So, yeah, yep, pretty happy with that. But that's me for today. So. I'll wrap the video up, and thanks for dropping in and having a look. I'll catch you next time. Probably will be a painting one. Bye.
Another 2 inches out of that rake. And I can show you exactly what I did. I have not got the front window treatment down yet, post down yet. I'm going to do that. We're going to do that on the video, and we're probably going to